PHP is a widely used open-source scripting language that is especially suited for web development and server-side scripting. It was originally designed by Rasmus Lerdorf in 1994 as a set of Common Gateway Interface (CGI) scripts for tracking visits to his personal website. Over time, it evolved into a powerful programming language with a large and active developer community. PHP is often used for building dynamic web applications, such as content management systems, e-commerce websites, and social media platforms. It is a server-side language, meaning that it runs on the web server rather than on the client's browser. This allows for dynamic content to be generated on the server before it is sent to the client's browser. Some of the key features of PHP include easy integration with HTML and other web technologies, built-in support for accessing databases such as MySQL and PostgreSQL, powerful string manipulation functions, support for object-oriented programming, large and active developer community with a wealth of resources available online. PHP is often used in conjunction with other web development technologies such as JavaScript, CSS, and HTML to create complete web applications. It is available for free and can be installed on most web servers, making it a popular choice for web developers around the world.